Every single minute is journey of life. Every moment will teach you to be a man. We never know when the time will stop. Just keep forward. Just keep right as long as you can. Find your passion, because your patience comes from yourself. Ask yourself where I can find my peaceful. Mini bike is our peaceful, and playing with nature is our passion. Every type of road is a challenge, and challenge yourself how to hit it. We never know our limitation without push our limitation. Limitation is a weakness. We have to change to be something better. We need to take action now. Ride free, no rule, no limitation. Just ride. Keep on top, but still humble. It is a long way and long story how we found our satisfaction. Peaceful is when you feel free and you feel your passion is with you. Just get on top and see you next ride, brothers.